Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I have this 2005 Toyota RAV4, and I'm about to show you how to do the oil change real quick. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the movie, and after that I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset in this RAV4. Alright, so enjoy the movie. See you later. Hey guys, welcome back. Stu is back. Now I hope you enjoyed the video how to do the oil change. Now I wanna show you how to do the oil life reset. So it's time to do the oil change, and once you do that, you wanna get rid of this symbol, right? So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Put it in on. Put it right there, okay? This is the trip button. You're gonna put it right there, okay? You're gonna put it right there. Press and hold it, and turn the key to the off position or to the lock position, and then turn it on again without leaving this this button, okay? You gotta keep pressing it, okay? So I'm gonna show you how it looks like when you do the step, okay? Now, like I said, leave it right there, press and hold it, turn it to the lock position or off, then turn it on, and keep holding it, and you're gonna see some dash symbol. Show you in a second. Now that's how it looks like. And then let it go, and that's how you reset the oil life. You see, now the symbol is gone. This is how you reset the oil life in this Toyota RAV4 2005. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me, and I'll catch you up later, alright? Holla at your boy, Astuvo, Burum.